Hey there kiddos, I'm making a little video here to show you how to create a board in Pinterest. So here we have the Raphael Madonna. That's one of the artists that I'm asking you to look up on your assignment. So for example, well, first of all, you go into Pinterest and you get all these fun ideas. This is the board that I've created and how to add pins to it. So I've already created this board, I've already created an account, here's my name here, and so now I can actually come in here and search. So another artist that I gave you was Mondrian. Okay, so Mondrian. I'm going to click right there, and so we can see right away that based on what we learned in class, Mondrian uses primary colors. So we have some examples, maybe not some actual artworks, which is kind of interesting. Here we go. And this says Fine Art in America. So we can kind of buy Piet Mondrian. So I can go ahead and save this, but right now I have a lot of boards. So here I want to come here and it'll be your top board. So I made this one called Color Theory. And so there it is. I've saved it to my board. And then what I can do is I come in here and I have a ton of boards. And here it should be, and here it is not. Aha! There it is. So now that I've got this, I can also make comment on it. So then I would say primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. And there we go. So for the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. For your board, you are going to find 3 examples of use of primary colors. So I know just looking at these, probably Andy Warhol is another good one to look for with the primary colors. So I could actually type in Andy Warhol primary colors and see what I get. So it looks like we've got some primary colors right here. Actually, we've got them right here. Here we go. We've got the blue, yellow, and the red. Even though there's just a little bit of blue there, it's still blue. So I don't want to save this to botanicals. I want to save it to Color Theory. And then I can go to comments and I can actually add my comment to it right here as well. Primaries, and just make it this simple. Primaries, red and yellow with a touch of blue. There we go, and I hit done. Okay, and again I'll come back into my board and I go to my Color Theory board. I'm just going to hit refresh. For some reason it doesn't want to show up, but there's my 3 that are my examples of primary colors. And as we're looking at them, we're seeing here that we've got now popping up our other examples of primary colors. So now maybe to go for analogous colors, I could type in Georgia O'Keeffe, and I know analogous colors are ones that are right next to each other, so that would work for analogous colors. This is perfect for analogous colors right here. This is perfect for analogous colors. So she is a great one for that as well. So check this out and look up some artists and get some examples of how they use color and have some fun with your